pod of dolphins. Look like about 4 of them. One more up straight ahead of you, Vince. Yeah. Oh, hi! What's up, buddies? They're chasing the boat now.
They're gonna come closer.
They're gonna come a lot closer.
There's one behind you. Oh, he's riding the wave.
Is he?
The one in the back of the wave.
Yeah, he's coming right up next to us. Oh. Hey, don't stay under the boat there, buddy. Oh, wow. Here they come. Hello.
They're so pretty.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
He's just leading us in. Where are you taking us, buddy?